Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these wooden pallets that I got from Dollar Tree. I paint them completely with Plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I also got this candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I paint that with that same Plaster chalk paint. Once that's dry, I give it a coat of matte varnish by Waverly. Next, I am taking 2 of the wooden pallets and hot gluing them together. Just gluing one on the side of the other. And taking these wooden cubes, these are also from Dollar Tree, and I add some hot glue to 2 sides of that and place it where the 2 pallets meet. So I end up needing 8 of those wooden cubes. I take the next pallet and hot glue that to the opposite side of where I glued the first one. And then again adding the wooden cubes to where they meet. And then take the 4th one and I'm hot gluing that to the remaining sides. Just getting that lined up. And then taking those cubes and hot gluing those inside. So each spot where they're connected, there'll be one of those cubes. Next, I'm taking these craft sticks and cutting them down with my Fisker shears. Just cutting one end and then holding it in place to mark it and cut that down. And then hot glue that into place. This will be the base. I do that until it's completely filled in. On the last one, it's a little bit too big, just on one little side of it. So I just use the Fisker shears and cut that down just a little bit so it fits. I then paint that with the same plaster color. I'll also be painting the inside part of those craft sticks as well as those wooden cubes. And then I'm taking this red ribbon and hot gluing that to the back side of one of those pallets on the open end of it, running that down across the front of the pallet and then hot gluing it on the opposite end. So what I'm going for here is I'm trying to make it look like a present. So each side, each pallet will have that red ribbon going down it. Once those are all on all 4 sides, I take the ribbon and wrap it around the entire thing. And I start by just hot gluing it on one side and kind of tucking it under that ribbon that's on there already. And then just continue wrapping that all the way around until I meet back up where I started. And then make a little bow out of that same ribbon. I trim up those tails and then cut away the excess red glittery twine I had wrapped around the center. I then hot glue that bow to where those ribbons cross. This will be the front. And I do add some pine and berries to the front of that as well, but I didn't like it, so I end up removing it, so I don't bother showing that part. Next, I add Gorilla Grip glue and hot glue to what is actually the bottom of the candle holder, and then place that on those craft sticks on the bottom. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.